Earth is not the only sphere in our solar system with volcanoes. News.com has learned about new pictures from the most active one. NASA's Juno spacecraft passed within 930 miles of one of Jupiter's moons Saturday, December 30, 2023. That moon is Io, which NASA has examined from time to time for more than 20 years. Juno snapped 6 photos of it, some in color and others in black and white. Data collected from the year-end flyby has yet to be released. But scientists want to know how Io's estimated hundreds of volcanoes compare with the ones on Earth. We are looking for how often they erupt, how bright and hot they are, how the shape of the lava flow changes. Scott Bolton with the Southwest Research Institute said. In a statement to Space.com, Bolton added the volcanic eruptions on Io could be connected to charged particles in Jupiter's magnetosphere. Jupiter has stronger gravity than Earth. That could be a factor in Io's volcanic activity. But so could gravity from some of the planet's estimated 94 other moons, such as Callisto and Europa. Despite that pull, volcanic eruptions on Io can be huge. Lava can fly dozens of miles above the moon's surface, high enough to become part of Jupiter's orbit. So Bolton says another purpose of Juno's latest passes is to learn whether a magma ocean exists underneath its crust. New Scientist magazine notes Io's volcanoes aren't that tall, compared to the rest of the moon. On average, they're between 1,800 and 3,700 feet tall. In contrast, Io's highest mountains are more than 10,000 kilometers tall, or more than 1,000 meters higher than Mount Everest. Juno was launched to study Jupiter and its moons in 2011. Researchers say a powerful dynamo drives its magnetic field, but the planet does not have a magnetized crust. According to CBS News, the spacecraft is equipped with 3 cameras. Juno Cam takes the snapshots. A stellar reference unit takes images of the planet and its moons in high resolution. The third camera, an infrared auroral mapper, records what kind of heat the volcanoes produce. News.com reported in October 2022 on what Juno found during a close pass by Europa. Juno's next close approach to Io is scheduled for Friday, February 2nd. The distance will be similar to the December one, at about 930 miles. Juno's mission was supposed to end in July 2021, but it was extended. NASA now plans to end it in September 2025 by crashing Juno into Jupiter's atmosphere. But NASA has a replacement spacecraft almost ready. The Europa Clipper is scheduled for launch from Florida's Kennedy Space Center in October, with plans to draw near to the Europa moon in 2030. The deadline for people to put their names on a microchip inside the spacecraft ended with the new year. More than 700,000 names were submitted. It will have to dodge an asteroid belt, which News.com noted in December 2023 exists between Jupiter and Mars.